Hello from a rainy bank holiday Monday here in the UK. And as it's bank holiday, I shouldn't be trading, should I? That's what everybody seems to say. Never trade the bank holidays because there's just not the liquidity within the marketplace. And this has put me off in the past, so I've tended to steer clear of trading on bank holidays. But today I decided in an experiment, I decided to see if you could trade on a bank holiday. And a bank holiday is not going to stop the running trader from either running or trading. And today I did both and very successfully. And I'll show how I've done it. So I actually traded on the cable, the pound US. Bear in mind, this is the British pound. I'm here in London, UK, where it is a bank holiday. Okay? So you think there's not going to be liquidity there. There's not going to be any opportunities to make any money on any trades. But you'd be wrong. And it depends, what type of trade you're looking for. So here I'm doing the London breakout strategy, and the London breakout strategy, for you those who don't know, is trading the breakout from the Asian session, okay? And the Asian session runs from midnight to 8 o'clock in the morning UK time. So here I've got the chart. It's a 5-minute chart of the pound US, and each of the candlesticks represents 5 minutes. And the grayed out box here is the highs and the lows from midnight to 8 o'clock in the morning when London normally opens. And what I do is I trade when I get a break, either go short when it breaks below here at the box, or go long when it goes above here. And I wait for one full candlestick, not with a long wick, but a proper candlestick. And as you can see here, as early as 8:05, it actually broke out of this range, out of the box here. And that's when I placed my trade to go long, and that was 12,560.9. Now my target was only 15 pips, okay, and I'm just risking 10 pips. I'm risking 10 for 15, so it's a 1.5 return, okay. And I didn't sit and watch this. I was prepared to lose the 10 pips because, everybody says you can't make any money when you're trading a bank holiday, especially with the country's bank holiday currency. And it is the UK's currency of the pound, okay, against the US dollar. And yet it is here in the UK a bank holiday. So surely I can't make any money, can I? Well, you'd be wrong. So as you can see, it goes up, it goes up. Bear in mind, I wasn't watching this. I'd set a limit. It comes down slightly. And then where the arrow is, and it was as early as 9:28, so it's now 23 minutes later, I got closed out, okay? And that closed out at 12,575.9. Okay, now it's kept going up here, and this is where I draw the horizontal bar. Here, as you can see, it sort of hit the wick here, and then it sort of stayed in this range for the next few hours. And that was approximately, I think, another 10 pips higher up. And now it's broken through this range a few hours later. This is live. So we're now live here on the 5-minute chart at 140. And it's starting to come down a bit now, but it's gone all the way up to, let me have a look here, 87.8. So it's about another 13 pips. So I could have gone for the round figure of 20 pips. A lot of traders go for 20 pips. I could have gone for as little as 10. I went somewhere in between. I wasn't being greedy. I went for 15 pips. And 15 pips at £12 a pip, that was £180, which proved very useful for when I went food shopping straight afterwards. And the cost of living crisis, food prices, well, they're certainly not coming down, they keep going up. So, for an hour and 23 minutes work, £180 on a day when everybody says, oh no, you can't make any money on a bank holiday Monday trading. Well, I leave it up to you to make up your own opinion. And maybe if you're going to try it, maybe just one bank holiday paper trade it and see for yourself. But as I say, I've been trading this strategy for a little while now, so I know what I'm doing. I wasn't being greedy, but I was prepared to lose those 10 pips. Okay, at £12 a bit, I was prepared to lose that. But there was such a tight range here, and it broke out really early. And as it broke out so early, I was quite optimistic. If it stayed in a range for a few hours after 8 o'clock, maybe up to 11 o'clock and wasn't going anywhere, I could understand that because there's not liquidity in the marketplace. The amount of transactions are lower. There's not the volume of trades going through. So I could understand if it stayed in a range, but it didn't. It broke out as early as 8:05, which surprised me, to be honest. And then it kept going up. And then I closed my laptop and just let it get on with it. And then was surprised so early that it cut out so early. And okay, yes, it's gone up even more, but I'm quite happy with my 15 pips, quite happy with the £180 on a day when people say you can't make any money trading. So for me, despite it rainy outside,
not a very nice day here in the UK on a bank holiday, but you know, it always does that here in the UK. It always does rain on a bank holiday. The £180 more than made up for it. And I think I've proved a lot of people wrong that you can actually make money trading on a bank holiday. You've just got to know what you're doing, be careful, and don't be greedy. And that's what I've done here. So if you happen to have a bank holiday today, wherever you are, try and enjoy it and have a lovely day. And I'll see you on the next one.